Stocks on deep. We have PHOE, INLF, AREB, LR, LRHC, GCL, and CSAI. PHOE down 83.47%. Tiny float. 50, you can see the 50-day average, 9,200 shares. Unbelievable stuff. Really funny. Okay, well, in any case, let's see. Yeah, the stock is experienced a massive 997% intraday gain on the 30th of January, closing at $133.12, driven by low flow dynamics around 5.5 million shares and amplified retail momentum from trading forums and social media buzz with no accompanying company news and ends of filings, okay, amongst other things. So it's giving back all those gains it ran up in that session. And let's see what we have here. Projections are saying 11.66, 8.90, 7.2. Those are all downward projections. Let's just quickly glance at its 4-hour chart. You may have some extrapolations. Okay, the 4-hour chart seems to be suggesting that it might actually pick up a bounce and may hold it up till tomorrow's pre-market session, tomorrow the 3rd of February. Outside that, lower prices are still very much possible. The lows of around 19.21 very much possible, even though 35.54 is what is also extrapolated as things stand right now. But if anything, expect lower prices for PHOE. If anything, lower prices is what may be advisable to expect. INLF down 67.61%. The stock experienced this plunge in this plunge began in the pre-market session of today, reversing a 286% surge from the previous session that was Friday, the 30th of January. This volatility aligns with the stock's penny stock profile, trading below $1 since its January 2025 IPO and facing Nasdaq's minimum bid price deficiency notice issued in October of last year with a compliance deadline of the 27th of April 2026. Traders are engaged in profit taking after the rapid rally amplified by low float and retail speculation as no new company specific announcements and in regulatory updates emerged today. Okay, so on this stock as well, projections are saying 0.1243, 0.1898, 0.2960. It's currently at 0.46. Yeah, so lower prices are expected for INLF. AREB down 61.4%. The stock began trading on a split adjusted basis at the Nasdaq Open, theoretically boosting the pre-split closing price of approximately $0.2 to around $5.6 per share. However, it opened at just $0.64, reflecting an immediate heavy selling pressure as investors reacted negatively to the company's ongoing financial distress. This extends a pattern of multiple reverse splits in recent years, including twice in 2025, which have failed to stabilize the share price and instead amplified perceptions of dilution and operational challenges such as declining revenues and legal issues. Okay, so I think lower prices are expected to continue to print at least up till the let's see what we have. up to the 13th of February. Then maybe from Monday the 16th is expected that it might bounce and may hold it up till the 24th of February. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. Projections are currently saying nothing positive at all. We have negative 47.35, negative 40.24, negative 28.75. Obviously, those are referring to some really, really fractional prices. Yeah. LRHC down 31.14%. No specific catalyst identified for this plunge. Okay. No available financial reports show no company specific news or announcements as of today directly triggering this plunge we're looking at right now. Okay, let's see. Um, the movement follows high volatility, including a 1 for 10 reverse split effective on the 26th of January to maintain Nasdaq compliance, which reduced outstanding shares from about 5.3 million shares to 435,000 shares, and unexplained 40% intraday surge on the 30th. That was Friday 30th of January, amid elevated volume of 29 million shares, indicative of speculative retail interests. This pullback aligns with documented Nasdaq futures decline of around up to 1% today, driven by a sell-off in precious metals and renewed skepticism on AI sector valuations, amplifying sector amplifying a downside for volatile small caps names in real estate and prop tech. Here as well for LRHC, lower prices up till the 5th, Thursday the 5th. Then after that, it might attempt to bounce, but the 40-day moving average is expected to prevent any expansion beyond it. So that moving average might serve as a primary supply line at least up to twice before the end of February. Yeah. GCL down 29.82%. No identified catalyst has been identified. Um, Searches across financial news outlets and databases reveal no specific announcements. Okay, based on available data, up to market open, the movement lacks a clear smoking gun. Okay, so projections are saying, let's see, 1.16, 1.22, 1.25 for all upper projections. Let's see whether we can just quickly glance at it for our chart. Here, consolidation is expected after further declines towards the close of today's trading session. So, consolidation all the way towards the 9th of February. That is what is expected. Projections on this 4-hour chart is saying $1.2. No guarantee that that will print. CSAI down 17.77%. The company filed an S3 registration statement with the SEC today, authorizing a $150 million shelf offering of securities alongside an equity distribution agreement for up to $9 million in at the market sales of Class A common stock through Maxim Group LLC. These moves enable a flexible capital raising by selling shares directly into the market, often viewed negatively by investors as they increase the share float and dilute existing shareholders' value. The filing valued non-affiliated health stock at about $27.6 million, highlighting the company's small cap and sensitivity to such announcements. Additionally, a waiver agreement with our lender, Streeterville Capital LLC, was disclosed, potentially signaling ongoing financial pressures. Okay, so projections are currently saying for CSAI 0.5683, 0.4184, 0.3257, all downward projections. Yeah, let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. Yeah, okay. Lower prices up till tomorrow, the 3rd of February. Then after that, they might attempt to bounce, but not expected to go beyond its 40 period moving average on this 4 hour chart. Here we have slight upward projection 0.711, 0.7473, 0.8061. Yeah, momentum is expected to pick up as well from tomorrow, but no guarantee that that will happen. Okay, so see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.